see him, he'll dig a fucking square out.
Cell phone video capturing the moment an oncoming Brightline train. Incredibly, fire rescue says all 3 who were inside are expected to be okay.
Onto the tracks and into the path of this train. Onto the tracks and into the path. Just absolutely shocking.
This comes following last month's tragic incident in Aventura.
I got the internet going nuts, but T-Farrah's got my back, so now I'm holding my...
And then we heard a pop. I went to on, and then within like 20 seconds, that door was open. I saw pop. Yeah, that's the stuff. Yeah, that's the stuff.